Next, we're going to show you a little bit about each of our apps. First, we have a database lookup app. This you might want to use if a customer calls into the store and wants to know if you carry a key for their vehicle. You can just put in your make and model here and it'll show you whether that's a carried key or not. Here we have our cut key data app. This shows you for a period of time information about the keys that have been cut. We can see the day of the week how many keys we're cutting, or for each month how many keys we're cutting. If you hit the key tracking button, we can actually see which keys were cut and how many of them. On this screen there's also a tab for the out of stock keys. So here will be a list of any keys that you recorded as being out of stock and you missed the sale. We have a tab for our lost sales. Again, these are keys that you don't carry in the store but missed the sales opportunity. Here we have our reprogram a chip key app, and this you might use to try the programming steps again without actually having to cut a key. So you can program both I keys and A keys with this app. Next is our Restock app, and this is a great tool to help you put keys away when you get an order in and make sure you get them in the right spot. You simply barcode scan a key and the system lights up the correct spot to hang up the key, and it makes sure you don't mix them up. Next is our training videos app, and if you're watching this video on the machine, we already know you know how to do that one. For some customers where they order keys on the machine, we have our electronic order app, and here is where you can barcode scan keys and place an order directly with HEICO. Next is our Validate Cuts app, and here is where we can do an after-the-fact inspection of a customer key and a key we cut previously and see how well they compare. Next is a Check for Updates app. The machines normally check for updates once a day automatically, but if the need ever arises to check at a certain point in the day, you can press that button to check for updates. In this case, the system says the software is already up to date. Here's our Preventive Maintenance app, and this is where a trained person can do the maintenance on the machine. At the bottom, we have a training mode button, and here's where you can turn the training mode on and off. This will allow you to go through the identification and programming step without actually cutting or programming a key, so it's a great training tool. Here we have a language button. This lets you switch between the different languages that we have available. And the field service button is only for HEICO technicians to use. And I think that covers everything you need to know about the advanced features on the key cutting machine.